Other than that, we're going to go ahead and go into our favorite place again with our favorite guy again. Russell, what's up, bud?
It's good.
What are we talking about today?
Today we are talking about Case's two-bladed trapper. So we've got a few of them, brand new in stock. And what the two-bladed trapper is, here I'll just grab one of them, is you've got one blade. This is basically your everyday blade. Nice little, they used to be more clipper points, they're now more trailing points. And then you have a spay blade. So literally, little reverse Tonto there, but a nice big belly. What that gets you is they used to castrate animals with the spay blade because it was harder, the point isn't as pointy. So if you happen to nick something while you're down there, you're not really doing a whole lot of damage as opposed to a nice pointy one of those blades. Different models we have in. We have some really cool ones. So they're synthetic red. So all of these will be stainless steel except the Damascus one. And then it's really the handles that will be different. So this is a Damascus with this beautiful bone that was dyed golden, and they did a double jig saw cut to it. One of my favorites, the abalone. These are just so elegant. So beautiful and just sparkly. We've had, I think, that one here in the past. And then another bone that they really made this one look like antler. A couple Kyrionite ones, so a green Kyrionite and the patriotic Kyrionite. And then just a nice gray. They made this one look a lot like the camel bone you've seen from our stuff. Just a nice gray, green jade bone. And then that synthetic red. And they call this the mulberry. In Texas, we'd call that maroon, but you know, hey, to each their own, right? So yeah, great in-pocket carry knives. They even started doing, like on this one, you can see that PVD coating. Just a great looking knife, super useful. And having the extra blade all means you always have a sharp blade.
Right on. All right, guys, we'll wrap it up here. Like always, see you on the next one.